standing on $5 million of real money. The largest grand prize.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Beast Games, the biggest competition show ever created by MrBeast. And honestly, this might be the most insane thing YouTube has ever seen. From the very first second, the scale of this show is unreal. 1,000 contestants, $5 million in real cash, and challenges that are not just physical, but psychological, emotional, and honestly brutal. What makes Beast Games different from every other competition show is that it doesn't just test strength or skill, it tests human nature. Right at the beginning, contestants are offered $1 million to quit before the game even starts. That moment alone tells you everything about this show. Some people are thinking about their families, some about security, and others are fully gambling on becoming the one person who walks away with $5 million. And that's where this show really shines, the stories. You've got people who grew up homeless, parents trying to secure a future for their kids, and then you've got contestants who are just there for the chaos, the jet skis, and the gold chains. Every motivation feels real, and that makes every decision hit harder. The team-based sacrifices were easily one of the most emotional parts of the episode. Watching someone voluntarily walk away from $5 million so their team could continue was wild. It's uncomfortable, intense, and strangely inspiring at the same time. Then there's the production. The sets are massive, entire cities built, thousands of cameras, perfect sound design and pacing. This doesn't feel like a YouTube video, it feels bigger than most TV game shows, and yet it still keeps that raw YouTube energy where anything can happen at any moment. The tower stacking challenge was another standout. The silence, the shaking hands, the fear of moving even an inch, it was simple, but the tension was insane. You could feel how close everyone was to losing everything. And let's talk about the bribes. The higher the money went, the more chaotic the room became. Trust broke down fast. People stopped being numbers and started becoming names. Alliances formed, collapsed, and entire rows disappeared because of one button press. That's what makes Beast Games so addictive. Every round forces impossible choices. Overall, Beast Games isn't just about winning money. It's about greed versus sacrifice, risk versus security, self versus team. And the fact that all of this is happening for a real $5 million prize just raises the stakes to a level we've never seen before. If this is just the beginning of the season, I genuinely can't imagine how crazy it's gonna get from here. If you enjoy high-stakes competition, real emotion, and unpredictable twists, Beast Games is absolutely worth watching. Let me know in the comments. Would you have taken the early money? Or would you risk everything for the $5 million? And the fact that all of this is happening for a real $5 million prize just raises the stakes to a level we've never seen before. If this is just the beginning of the season, I genuinely can't imagine how crazy it's gonna get from here. If you enjoy high-stakes competition, real emotion, and unpredictable twists, Beast Games is absolutely worth watching. Let me know in the comments. Would you have taken the early money? Or would you risk everything for the $5 million? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.